Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Muhammad Hassan and today I have a very different review. Okay, so I have already gathered all the review about another Oud, artisanal Oud company called Yusa Aromatics. Okay. Yes, Yusa. Okay, so this is the box I got the samples in it. So these are the sample vials. I'm going to share my thoughts. I have already written, you can see over here the notes. I actually tested them at night. Each night I applied one of them. So starting from so totally I actually got 4 of these Ceylon Flora. One was this one, Ceylon Flora, okay, and then I had this one which was from Rayong region. I really love this. This is Thai Oud oil, a bit sweet. Then the third and fourth one, I actually got 4 samples. Naphung Wild Thai. So it is a wild Oud oil from Thailand, Naphung wild oil. And then the last one, Murasaki. Murasaki is actually Cambodian oil, I think, and this is my favorite. So now I'm going to talk about them one by one. First we are going to talk about them, the Ceylon Flora. So this is the sample vial. These are the notes. I tested them at night. Ceylon Flora is dry, woody, dense, dry, mossy. If you like mossy or dry kind of Oud oils, this is it, Ceylon Flora. Although I thought it is going to be very floral, but it is dry and mossy. Then it has some notes of dry grass, purple florals. So this is interesting. So grass and dense, mossy kind of jungle where you have a forest. So everything is a little foresty, but it is dry and dense. Dry grass, purple florals, light woody, kind of reminds me how patchouli smells. So it has a smell, little bit of smell of patchouli. So this is very different profile. Dry woody, mossy, purple florals, light woodiness, and then it has patchouli kind of smell in the background. Ceylon Flora from Yusa Aromatics. This is very different profile. It actually reminds me kind of some other oils, but it is a very unique, very different, in a very different direction. Okay, so next is I am going to review my favorite Murasaki at the end. That was really lovely. If I want to buy something from Yusa Aromatics for myself, I would really buy Murasaki. Okay, so then we have Rayong. Rayong is actually a region in Thailand, and I actually love Rayong Oud oils. So let's sniff this again. Ooh, it is sweet like honey. Okay, so here are the notes I have written: sweet, fruity, tart. It is kind of tart, a little bit of, like some lemon tart kind of pastry. Light, airy, calming effect. It has calming effect. It is calming to your nerves, to your senses. Light woody, similar to tart Oud oils. So tart Oud oils are a bit different from Thai. Thai are overly sweet. Tart has light sweetness with some tartness or some, citrus kind of feeling to them. So although it is from Rayong, which is Thai region, it has some similarities to tart Oud oils. So this is another one, really lovely Oud oil from Yusa Aromatics. I'm going to give the Instagram handle, so you can, if you want to buy, you can buy from that. Okay, so they are on Yusa Aromatics. Is actually it is actually a guy, guys from Imperial Oud. If you remember, Imperial Oud was very great artisanal oud providers, but they actually somehow they broke their partnership and the company dissolved, and now one of the guy he has this Yusa Aromatics. Okay, so this is Rayong, sweet, fruity, tart, and light, airy, has some calming effect. So if you have anxiety or depression, I think it is a nice choice. Anyhow, so let's go to the next one, which is this one, Nufong Thai. Okay, so about the power of these oud oils, most of the oud oils, because they are artisanal, they are not going to stay very long. I think 3 to 4 hours max. So this one was the weakest, although it says it is wild oil, wild Thai oil. I have applied it just once. Maybe next time it might last longer, but it didn't last 1 to 2 hours, more than 2 hours. So for me, I think if people say that wild oils, they are more powerful, I think it's a myth for me. Okay, so it has Nufong wild Thai. So Nufong, I think Nufong is actually maybe some region. It has clean, airy feel to it, and it feels like you are in a temple, Chinese temple. Although it says Thais, but I feel like you are in a temple or Buddhist temple, and it has some air, clean, light, sweet, light woody flowers and old books in the background, light fruity. It is it reminds you of Chinese oud oils and tart oud oils. So it is kind of a mix of Chinese oud oils are mostly like melon kind of rounded, sweet, light sweet, woody, light woody kind of oud oils, and this one is very interesting. It has a very interesting scent profile, which is like you are inside a Buddhist temple, and it has the scent of books, old books, dry wood, and it has some light florals and fruitiness in the background. It reminds me of Chinese oud and tart oud mixed together. So this is Nufong Thai from Yusa Aromatics. Okay, so now the last one, my favorite, Murasaki. I think I'm going to purchase 1 gram, at least 1 gram of this oil, Murasaki. Okay, so this is not Murasaki, this is Murasaki. So when I applied Murasaki at night, I thought that it is maybe Pursat oil, which is a region of Cambodia, or maybe it is something else. I kept on thinking that it is from Laos region. Laos region has a very fruity, light fruity, sweet candy kind of vibe to their oud oils, but this one was a Cambodian oud. So this is, I think, one of the most interesting profiles, Murasaki from Yusa Aromatics. Okay, so what it had, okay, so sweet, breezy kind of feel, which is very rare, which has some of the Cambodian oud oils, some regions they have breezy kind of. Okay, so second is clean, fruity and woody, the perfect balance of fruitiness and woodiness. So feels like Laos region oil, very calming and soft effect, herbal, chocolate, and it has a very deep effect. So deep means it has many layers of, just like perfume, top notes, middle notes, and dry down. So in each stage, it actually amazed me a lot. I was, you can see my comments are over here, very lovely. So you can see, if you can read it over here, at the top I have written very lovely. Okay, so what I did is I actually slept with it, and then I woke up and I again took this note and I again kept on writing different notes and everything. So this is my review about Yusa Aromatics. Murasaki is my favorite, very, very lovely and very different, very calming, very deep Cambodian oud oil with a very different scent profile. I hope that Yusa Aromatics is watching, and my friend, this was the review about Yusa Aromatics oud oils. You can ask them about other things. I think they have aged patchoulis and all different things going on. You can ask them. They are not very costly like Ansar Oud, but they have good items. So do check out these artisanal grade oud oils from Yusa Aromatics. I hope to see you soon in another video. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allah Hafiz.